People are freaking out every day, searching Google and YouTube, asking the question, why did I get kicked out of the Amazon affiliate program? Or why am I not earning commissions on links that I know are getting clicked? Or why didn't my application get approved? So, in this video, I'm going to give you the top 5 reasons that people aren't earning commissions or getting kicked out of the program or are not getting accepted into the program. The first reason that you're not going to earn any commissions is if you're placing your affiliate links in restricted areas. So Amazon has strict policies on where you can place your affiliate links. And you cannot place them in private membership areas or in PDFs, in ebooks, or even on your personal profile on Facebook. So you need to follow Amazon's rules and where you can and cannot place those links. Now, the good news is it used to be you could not place them in emails. They just changed that policy as of March 2024. Make sure you watch my video that explains what you can and cannot do and what guidelines you need to follow in order to get credit for those links. So, the first thing that often gets people either not earning their commissions or kicked out of the program is placing their links in places that are restricted. Number two, you're using the right platforms and you're putting the links in your right places, but you're not registering the URLs that you're placing your links. So this is a really easy thing to fix. All you need to do is log into your Amazon affiliate back office, click on your account settings, and then click on account information. And then it says edit your website or web apps. And you can include up to 50 URLs. These are all places that you might be putting your affiliate links. So this would include your website, your YouTube channel, all the different places where you're putting your affiliate links, including if you're using third-party apps. Make sure you put those URLs in there. This mistake alone accounts for a lot of commissions going unearned. Amazon still makes the sales and makes the money. You just don't get credit for it. Number three, and this is a rookie mistake for new applicants, and that is recruiting known people to purchase using your Amazon link. So there's pressure when you first apply to Amazon to get those first 3 sales in your first 180 days. And what people often do is they will ask their friends, their family, their staff, their colleagues to please use my affiliate link to make a purchase. If you do that, Amazon will not only reject your application, but they'll ban you from the program. So whether you are a new Amazon affiliate or a seasoned Amazon affiliate, do not ask your family and friends and staff and colleagues to purchase using your affiliate link. You need to just get them through organic traffic. And that brings me to number 4. You're not providing valuable content. So Amazon does not want you to just put a link on a page and say, this is a product I recommend, and then link to the Amazon page. They want you to give your unique perspective, your valuable content, and provide a very enjoyable user experience for that customer that's going to click the link and then purchase. So make sure you're providing valuable, unique content when you recommend the different products and place your affiliate link on your pages. And number 5, and maybe one of the biggest reasons people get kicked out of the Amazon affiliate program, is because they're using product images the wrong way. Amazon now has a rule where the only way to use product images is to use their API. That involves setting up some technology or using third-party apps. If you haven't done that and you're not using it, then you cannot just go to the product and copy that image and put it on your website or in an article. This is not actually a bad thing, because if you're using the product, the best thing is to show them your own photos of the product. Take pictures of yourself using the product, and then you have a very unique, valuable way that you can recommend the products using your affiliate links. If you want to avoid these pitfalls and others, head on over to the affiliateincomeblueprint.info, and you can get my free course that gives you all kinds of information about how you can set yourself up for success with the Amazon affiliate program. Avoid these pitfalls and make sure that you can increase your earnings. I'll see you over there.